The largest country in South America, Brazil, is world famous for its breathtaking natural beauty. Across its vast landscape lie dense green forests, mighty rivers, stunning waterfalls, and golden beaches. One of its greatest natural treasures is the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, often called the lungs of the planet. It is home to thousands of species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else. Flowing through this forest is the Amazon River, one of the largest rivers in the world, whose immense water flow sustains the surrounding ecosystem. Another spectacular natural wonder of Brazil is the Iguaçu Falls, one of the largest and most magnificent waterfall systems in the world. With hundreds of cascades thundering down together, it creates a truly mesmerizing sight that captivates visitors. Brazil's coastline is equally enchanting, featuring numerous beautiful beaches such as Copacabana Beach, where the blue ocean meets soft white sand, offering a paradise-like experience. The country's mountainous regions are also incredibly attractive, covered in lush greenery, rivers, and hidden waterfalls that form picturesque landscapes. In addition, Brazil's national parks and protected forests serve as rich reservoirs of biodiversity. The changing colors of the sky at sunset, the melodious chirping of birds in the forest, and the gentle sound of flowing rivers together create a soothing natural harmony. Overall, Brazil's natural beauty not only pleases the eyes but also connects people deeply with nature. Its diverse landscapes make it one of the most valuable natural treasures on Earth and a dream destination for travelers around the world.